On this Renew Worlds project, we were trying to make some furniture for the Abacus out of pallets that we found dotted around Cardiff.
My role is to support running this building, and we're sort of the people behind making sure this space works, along with some local artists, and we all collaborate together. Everything here has been sort of reused from all different types of materials. You know, we didn't think about pallets straight away. We thought about perhaps making the building more sustainable in lots of different ways, and then realised actually the one thing we really need is furniture.
Over the last few weeks I've facilitated the workshop by bringing the tools along, supporting some extra types of pallets, some other sort of waste wood products that we've then converted it straight into tables.
We made a table, we made a tall table, we made a stool, and we also just made a Christmas tree.
One of the little highlights tonight was seeing a Christmas tree being made, but then the waste product of that, which would normally be thrown away or burned, was then created into another Christmas tree, so it's like secondary recycling.
Sam has been excellent. He's provided all the tools, all the guidance, very friendly, very approachable. I'm not very technically minded when it comes to using my hands. I'm very much a keyboard warrior, but with his guidance I was able to saw and drill and screw.
Sam's been really good because he's been so patient with us all. Quite a lot of us were quite unsure of the tools and what we were doing at first, and he's been really helpful.
I kind of makes me want to do more stuff in the evenings now. I kind of want to volunteer a bit more and stuff, so it's had a really positive impact on me.
So it's definitely had an impact because we're reducing our footprint by having this building, but also we're inspiring loads of other people because they're coming into the space and they're seeing this furniture and they're all thinking, actually, we can start making some of this stuff ourselves. I've been sitting down on a stool, so you can see, really, really simple design, and it's two-sided stool, and that took us probably took us 2 hours to make, but we are quite slow, so I'm sure you can make it a lot quicker.